Hello, I'm Soma Singh, Principal of Shri Vidya School. We are a Montessori school based out in Aditya World City on NH24 in Ghaziabad, and we have established our school for the very first year in the session 2025 and 26. And I would like to share with you that Montessori system has become the hot favorite of the community around, and we could begin the school in the very first session with 120 students. Thanks to Mr. Naveen and Kidken team, that setting up a Montessori lab was super easy and super innovative for us, and we really love our children growing, learning in the way the Montessori system is. Though we are evolving every single day, we are also learning to go Montessori way, but we were immensely supported by Kidken and Kidken's team, wherein Shirisha ma'am had given 6-day long training to our teachers, and this training was not only professionally a growth and achievement for teachers, but personally each one of them have evolved as Montessori learners. The quality of the material is superb, whether it is the scientifically designed equipments or the say the chalkies or the sitting mats. Everything has a quality, a particular standard, and there's nothing in terms of standard in the training and material that was compromised. We're so very happy being a partner with Kidken and setting up Montessori school, and thanks to Mr. Naveen and Team Kidken once again, that we have immensely gained using the Montessori material from Kidken. Thank you Naveen ji, thank you Shirisha ma'am, thank you Team Kidken. And we would love to set up yet another Montessori lab, or rather, as our sections multiply, we would like to set up more and more Montessori labs in our school. Like each classroom of our pre-primary is going to be a Montessori classroom. That's what we look forward to, being enthused with the response in the very first year. We look forward to a great journey with Kidken. Thank you.